ingredients for pepper chicken. So we've got 500 grams of chicken breast meat. Chicken breast, for obvious reasons. That's just about a pound, cut to bite-sized pieces for quick and easy cooking. We've got ghee. I'm only using a tablespoon, so I love a touch of ghee in my curries. But if you prefer to use light olive oil or vegetable oil, that's completely up to you. Not extra virgin olive oil, just light. We've got a teaspoon of sugar, onions, some pounded garlic and ginger. You could finely chop your garlic and grate your ginger if you prefer to go down that route. We've got some chili powder, coarsely ground black pepper. Do it at home if you can. Just place it in a pestle and mortar and pound it until you get coarse grinds. Or if you've got a coffee or pepper mill, blitz that for just a few seconds, pulse it. And we've got some turmeric, some salt, some garam masala. You get a bonus recipe, bonus lecture on how to make this at home. And we've got some coarsely chopped tomatoes. These are 2 large tomatoes. I've just placed them in my food processor and just pulsed them about half a dozen times to get this. By all means, cut them, chop them on a chopping board with a knife if you prefer. And we've got some fresh coriander chopped or cilantro, and we've got some water. That's it. That's all we need. So once you get the ingredients ready, and to get this ready, 5 minutes to chop up your chicken if you haven't bought them already chopped up from your butcher's or your supermarket. A minute for the onions, a couple of minutes for your ginger and garlic, and your tomatoes a few more minutes. So you take maximum 10 minutes to get your ingredients ready, if that, and then 20 to 30 minutes more to cook. So let's get cooking.